I've noticed Amneal over the years. I've been in the pharma industry for upwards of 30 years, and I was contacted about this opportunity, and what really kind of got me was the story of the founding. My father's a first-generation American. We grew up in a family business, and so that kind of family atmosphere, culture, collaboration, working together for a common cause, in this case, helping get patients, improve therapy, really spoke a lot to me. Hi, I'm Joe Renda, and I head up the specialty team here in Amneal. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer. People might think it's just a generics company, and certainly what I didn't realize is the other areas that Amneal is focused on. We have a biosimilars focus, we've got an institutional focus, and then the group that I lead up, which is specialty, we have our therapeutic areas of focus, which is Parkinson's, endocrinology, spasticity. So we are making a lot of advancements for patients in these really difficult to treat disorders. Every 6 minutes, a new patient's diagnosed with Parkinson's. Every 6 minutes. My grandmother had Parkinson's, so I saw my grandfather struggle with her care over the years. And knowing that we have a product and we are bringing forth a new product, it is really exciting for me. And then we also have opportunities for products that we're currently promoting in the endocrinology space, as well as spasticity. And we have products in our pipeline that also are going to be looking at potentially launching in those areas as well. At Amneal, we talk a lot about being patient-focused, and we do probably upwards of 100 different events just for Parkinson's across the country, whether those be walks or patient education programs. And that same thing is true when you look at MS, for example. And we're not just talking about it, we're actually doing it and supporting patients in those therapeutic areas. Every one of the people on our team brings a lot of experience, knowledge, and passion to the table. They're very passionate about each of the therapeutic areas they're in. When we bring our products and our solutions to physicians and treaters, we're respected because of that knowledge. So when asked by a physician, which company do you take the time to meet with, that they're thinking, and they're telling us that I meet with the Amneal representative, because when I meet with that Amneal representative, I know they're bringing credibility to the table, and I know they're bringing products to the table that are going to actually make a difference and help my patients. So as I think forward, I want to be known as the premier organization within a premier organization, which is Amneal overall, and specialty in particular will be considered premier by our customers.